Hi friend, my name is Visvedwar. Welcome my channel. Today I will discuss how to NDVI modeler of address imaging 9.2. NDVI full from normalized difference vegetation index. So let's start how to modeler of single channel band apply modeler NDVI. At first modeler model maker. There is the input and output icon. Input 2 band, near infrared and red band, temporary store and output. And final function. They are connecting. Input here satellite image near infrared band. Informative band 5 and okay. Input near infrared red band. Actually near infrared band minus red. Near infrared plus red. And temporary raster only. Either space 0 space if space here near infrared plus red input, so memory 4 near infrared plus 4 0.0 and space bracket space or NDVI formula near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red. So there is the near infrared minus red and near infrared plus red. So memory 3 divided by memory 4 space otherwise there is the function of the NDVI either 0 if near infrared plus red equal relational 0.0 space or near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red and otherwise. Output file name NDVI . and data type single and process and run. Actually, band 5, band near infrared, band 4 rate. There is the near infrared minus rate and near infrared plus rate. Memory, near infrared minus rate storage, temporary file and memory, near infrared plus rate. There is the function either 0 if memory for near infrared plus rate equal relational 0.0 or memory near infrared minus rate divided by near infrared minus rate plus rate, and otherwise there is the output and data type. Open this. There is the NDVI image, particular vegetation. What is the range of NDVI? NDVI value range from +1 to -1 area. Barren rock, sand, snow usually show very low NDVI value, for example 0.1 or less. Vegetation suggest the shrub, grassland, scattering, sensing crop. Many result of the moderate NDVI values, approximately 0.2 to 0.5. So there is the minimum -1, maximum 1. There is the NDVI. This is the highest value 1 and lowest value -1. So there is the water body value -0.78, and there is the dense forest plus. So there is the vegetation and there is the water body. This is the negative value, the -0.8. Complete this process. Thanks for watching my video. Let's start. Subscribe my channel and more updates. Thanks.